Welcome back to my channel.
I made the train.
I made the train.
Speaking the truth is not a crime.
Speaking the truth is not a crime.
We should talk first.
We should talk first.
Tom has a cold now.
Tom has a cold now.
He cannot be a slow learner.
He cannot be a slow learner.
This is where you're wrong.
This is where you're wrong.
Look at that red-roofed house.
Look at that red-roofed house.
That one is not good.
That one is not good.
Where can you buy books?
Where can you buy books?
Your criticism is just sour grapes.
Your criticism is just sour grapes.
Is it hard to speak English?
Is it hard to speak English?
I couldn't stop giggling.
I couldn't stop giggling.
I can't deal with him anymore.
I can't deal with him anymore.
They helped each other.
They helped each other.
They will announce the winner tomorrow.
They will announce the winner tomorrow.
The horse jumped over the fence.
The horse jumped over the fence.
The bullet penetrated the partition.
The bullet penetrated the partition.
My stomach feels heavy.
My stomach feels heavy.
Don't play with that key.
Don't play with that key.
Tom was offered a good job.
Tom was offered a good job.
Oh, what the hell?
Oh, what the hell?
I don't love you anymore.
I don't love you anymore.
Tell them that everyone is here.
Tell them that everyone is here.
This one is all yours.
This one is all yours.
We should always obey laws.
We should always obey laws.
I've scolded him many times.
I've scolded him many times.
What else would you like to eat?
What else would you like to eat?
Can you do me a tiny favor?
Can you do me a tiny favor? Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video and comment.
Rich people have fat cats.
Rich people have fat cats.
Tonight it's your turn.
Tonight it's your turn.
Maybe the box was empty.
Maybe the box was empty.
Dan spied Matt making love to Linda.
Dan spied Matt making love to Linda.
Tom has an outgoing personality.
Tom has an outgoing personality.
What is he doing at the moment?
What is he doing at the moment?
Tom's apartment is a real mess.
Tom's apartment is a real mess.
He is at once strict and tender.
He is at once strict and tender.
Dear children, always be honest.
Dear children, always be honest.
He is having lunch.
He is having lunch.
They live in constant fear.
They live in constant fear.
The sun was shining gloriously.
The sun was shining gloriously.
Tom looks like a rich man.
Tom looks like a rich man.
I want coffee with milk.
I want coffee with milk.
My resume isn't as impressive as yours.
My resume isn't as impressive as yours.
They will drive to London.
They will drive to London.
Tom felt something crawling on his arm.
Tom felt something crawling on his arm.
Please lower the window.
Please lower the window.
Sit down over there.
Sit down over there.
Everything happened so fast.
Everything happened so fast.
Can we talk about something else?
Can we talk about something else?
Our thinking is flexible.
Our thinking is flexible.
He can speak a little English.
He can speak a little English.
Dan didn't even say goodbye.
Dan didn't even say goodbye.
She is about as tall as me.
She is about as tall as me.
I can't find my briefcase.
I can't find my briefcase.
That's what I just said.
That's what I just said.
I brought mine. Did you bring yours?
I brought mine. Did you bring yours?
Many students like sports.
Many students like sports. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video and comment.
Tom isn't as fast as I am.
Tom isn't as fast as I am.
Friends don't always stay friends forever.
Friends don't always stay friends forever.
He was unaware of the situation.
He was unaware of the situation.
How did you get this?
How did you get this?
There are both freshwater and saltwater mussels.
There are both freshwater and saltwater mussels.
There is one big difference.
There is one big difference.
There is a bench on the balcony.
There is a bench on the balcony.
Tom is quite efficient.
Tom is quite efficient.
Tom forgot to feed Mary's dog.
Tom forgot to feed Mary's dog.
The sentence is senseless, but correct.
The sentence is senseless, but correct.
Falling in love takes some time.
Falling in love takes some time.
Please allow me to go.
Please allow me to go.
It'll be very hot tomorrow.
It'll be very hot tomorrow.
Tom fired his secretary.
Tom fired his secretary.
The climate here is mild.
The climate here is mild.
Can you make it go any faster?
Can you make it go any faster?
The president takes office tomorrow.
The president takes office tomorrow.
Tom just want to be different.
Tom just want to be different.
I like curry rice.
I like curry rice.
Tom probably thought I was a vegetarian.
Tom probably thought I was a vegetarian.
I understand what you're saying.
I understand what you're saying.
Smoking is strictly forbidden here.
Smoking is strictly forbidden here.
So this is what homesick feels like.
So this is what homesick feels like.
Go get a drink of water.
Go get a drink of water.
The president abolished slavery.
The president abolished slavery.
You're good at making me feel better.
You're good at making me feel better.
I want to play with the snow.
I want to play with the snow.
I wish something would happen.
I wish something would happen.
We just want to be left alone.
We just want to be left alone.
I found her graceful.
I found her graceful.
Tom should have hired a better lawyer.
Tom should have hired a better lawyer.
Let's play this game again.
Let's play this game again.
I'm troubled with atopic dermatitis.
I'm troubled with atopic dermatitis.
I wish I knew where he was.
I wish I knew where he was.
Her facility with English is wonderful.
Her facility with English is wonderful.
You should stop smoking.
You should stop smoking.
Our teacher seemed angry.
Our teacher seemed angry.
My legs hurt after the long walk.
My legs hurt after the long walk.
This is really cool.
This is really cool. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video and comment.
Man should make peaceful use of technologies.
Man should make peaceful use of technologies.
Tom is one of our top engineers.
Tom is one of our top engineers.
The book fit into Tom's pocket.
The book fit into Tom's pocket.
Tom found me a good job.
Tom found me a good job.
This skirt is a little too tight.
This skirt is a little too tight.
You have a regular pulse.
You have a regular pulse.
I'm getting ready for the worst.
I'm getting ready for the worst.
That's nothing but a lie.
That's nothing but a lie.
Don't you want to know?
Don't you want to know?
I'm so sorry to hear that.
I'm so sorry to hear that.
Do you need baby clothes?
Do you need baby clothes?
This is a girl I know well.
This is a girl I know well.
Tom likes to draw.
Tom likes to draw.
Tom complained that Mary never helped him.
Tom complained that Mary never helped him.
I'll be back by 6 o'clock.
I'll be back by 6 o'clock.
Can I talk to her?
Can I talk to her?
I need a map.
I need a map.
I'm getting a new house built.
I'm getting a new house built.
Maybe that's a good idea.
Maybe that's a good idea.
Children should go to school.
Children should go to school.
I still don't know.
I still don't know.
The house is suitably isolated.
The house is suitably isolated.
This taught me a good lesson.
This taught me a good lesson.
Do you have a table for 5?
Do you have a table for 5?
I believe he will triumph.
I believe he will triumph.
Would you like some more gravy?
Would you like some more gravy?
The dog will bark.
The dog will bark.
Tom knows how much you love him.
Tom knows how much you love him.
I remember seeing him somewhere before.
I remember seeing him somewhere before.
Don't squeeze any more into the trunk.
Don't squeeze any more into the trunk.
What's this really about?
What's this really about?
I know somebody who can help us.
I know somebody who can help us.
I think I mistakenly deleted that file.
I think I mistakenly deleted that file.
Sometimes I didn't come back at all.
Sometimes I didn't come back at all.
Milk comes from cows.
Milk comes from cows.
Please put on this gown.
Please put on this gown.
That girl loved climbing trees.
That girl loved climbing trees.
Maybe the stars were not properly aligned.
Maybe the stars were not properly aligned.
Excuse me, but who are you?
Excuse me, but who are you?
I'm dying for a beer.
I'm dying for a beer.
The man terrified the little children.
The man terrified the little children.
All this is for my personal use.
All this is for my personal use.
Tom isn't a lazy child.
Tom isn't a lazy child.
Do you want to see something cool?
Do you want to see something cool?
My best female friend is pregnant.
My best female friend is pregnant.
You can't blame me.
You can't blame me.
Tom's cat tried to catch the snowflakes.
Tom's cat tried to catch the snowflakes.
I assume you agree with me.
I assume you agree with me.
Hey, get away from the wall.
Hey, get away from the wall.
Carol is studying Spanish.
Carol is studying Spanish.
This is the book Tom gave me.
This is the book Tom gave me.
She read books all night.
She read books all night.
I've seen the dog.
I've seen the dog.
I didn't think I'd meet you here.
I didn't think I'd meet you here.